Hello guys, you welcome in the course Python. Let's start with my very short intro. Myself is Dhanesh and I am your Python developer as well as your course instructor. Okay, this course is basically divided in modules like module 1, module 2, module 3 and so on. We have already discussed the module 1. In the module 1, Python intro, history, feature, demand and application all we have discussed in the last previous classes. In module 2, we discuss Python installation, interactive prompt, script programming and first program in Python. We have almost done this task in the last classes. Now, our ongoing module is 3. In ongoing module 3, we have also discussed the first topic like variable in Python. So I hope you enjoy the last session, and now the current session will be on data type in Python. Okay, let's start data type in Python. So this is the lecture number 2, data type in Python. Okay, so guys, basically there are some 5 type of data type in Python like numeric, dictionary, boolean, set and sequence type. Step by step we will discuss in this lecture the data type of Python. Numeric is further 3 categorized or divided in 3 parts: integer, complex number and float. And same sequence data type is also divided in 3 types: string, list and tuple. Okay, so let's start some discussion with the numeric data type. In the numeric data type, variable name integer in Python, it is known by int. Int is nothing. In Python will understand this integer, and the example of it 200 and minus 500 like that are the example of integer. Float, Python is exactly scripted by float, and the example of are 2.5, 3.56, minus 5.2 like that. So basically they are decimal number. Okay, and a complex number in Python, it is same script complex, and the example 2 plus 3j. So this is the basically format right in Python: 2 plus 3j. 2 is nothing, is a real number, and 3 is imaginary number, and the combined form of these make the complex number 2 plus 3j like that. Now let's try with the code. Okay, the first we will write a code for the integer numbers. Okay, suppose I write a script a is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. So a is equal to 5 means I assign the value 5 in the variable a, and after that I want to print it as an output. So I need to give print command, and print is basically a command or a function in the Python which used for taking output or print something from input. What is the procedure of write it? Print in the small bracket whatever you will write in a double inverted comma, whatever you will write in double inverted comma will print as it is, comma. If you give without comma in a print command, it will assume it will should be a variable. It should be a variable. So without comma whatever you will write in the print should be a variable or will be assigned already. Otherwise it will give error. You can also want to interested the type of a. What is the type of a? So you can write print type a. This is also a command. So basically the output of the second print will be integer. Okay, during the code we will see that. Okay, now let's write some script for the float. So I give the variable name b is equal to 14.5. That means I will assign the 14.5 which is float already in the variable b. I will write the print command, and in double inverted comma I will write your value is, and without inverted comma I write b. B is actually variable which is assigned by you already, so it will print your value is 14.5. Okay, during writing the code we will see the output of that same thing. Okay, we can also give the print type A. Print type A. Basically here print type B should be, because I am interested to know the type of B. Okay. Okay, now the next one is complex number. So complex number is basically write by C is equal to 1 plus 3j. So means C is actually a variable. I am taking a variable to assign the value 1 plus 3j. 1 plus 3j is a complex number basically. So I will write the next command print, print print. It is an inbuilt command print, and inverted comma already we have discussed your value is, so it will as it is print, and but without inverted comma it will variable like C, which is already assigned by you as a complex number. And now the last command is print type C. Okay, so it is by default, it is right. Now let's try some code. Click on a code. Okay, so this file is basically write in the Jupyter notebook. What is the Jupyter notebook? You are interested to know it. Jupyter notebook is basically a GUI, graphics user interface. It is open source and handling from anywhere software. Okay, which is you can download it from the internet, as we have already discussed in the previous lectures. Okay, now I assign A is equal to 5. I will write the script for the integers. Okay, now I will write the print, print, and use small bracket, and in this small bracket whatever I will write in double inverted comma will be print as it is. So your number is, your value is, your number is, whatever you will write it will print as it is, and after that comma you will write A, suppose, because A is already assigned by us and it is 5. So let's check what is the output of that. Okay, this is output. Your number is 5. Okay, great. So your number is 5 will as it is print, because it is given in double inverted comma, and the A is replaced by 5 because A is a variable which is assigned by us already is 5. Okay, now next one print, print, and in a small bracket I will use type, type and A. So type is not a something which I want to print. Type is actually inbuilt function. Type here I will show the type. Type A is already a inbuilt function, so it will print the type of that. Okay, execute this program, and now you can see class int means the variable A is belongs to a class of integer. I already told you int is the symbolic representation of integer in the Python. Okay, so this is basically a program. Now for the float, simply I give B is equal to 13 plus 5. Okay, or we can say whatever you will take in a decimal, 4.5 suppose. Now print this command, and in double inverted comma you will write whatever it will print as it is. Suppose your number is, okay, and comma and B. Now it will take B as a variable, as we have already told you. And third one is print type B. So I am interested to know the type of B. Okay, now execute the cell. It will give output. Your number is 4.5. No number is 4.5. Okay, for the first print command and second print command, it give the class float A. Means your variable B is belongs to the class float. Okay. Now complex number. Now C is assigned as 2 plus 3j. Okay, enter. Now print double inverted comma my number is, and comma C. Okay, give the print command again for know the type of C. So type of C. Okay, now execute the cell. it will give two output. My name is 2 plus 3j. Okay, 2 plus 3j is nothing at the value of c. And second print command give the class complex. That means your c belongs to class complex, or it is a complex number simply. Okay, so guys, this is basically we have to write. Now sequence sequence data type in a Python. Sequence data type in Python is separated in three parts: string, list and tuple. Okay, we will discuss first the strings. What is the strings? The question is mind, what is the strings? String is basically a define of sequence of character represent in a double quote marks. Okay, example, if I write a is equal to in double inverted comma, you remember in double inverted comma whatever you will write will treat as a string in the Python. So I give welcome in this course, welcome in this course will be a string for the Python now, because it write in a double inverted comma. Okay, now code for a string. str is nothing. Str is a variable. Str is a variable which is taken by me. You can choose a, b, c, d, whatever instead of string str. So str is equal to double inverted comma, I am a string which always using single or double quotes. Okay, single and double both are valid. Now I will print str. So it will print the whole string which assigned by you, and second command is print type str. So the second print command will assign or will give you the type of str variable which you write already. Okay, now for the multi-line string. Suppose I am interested to write some line in a multiple line, suppose line 1, line 2, line 3, then the one factor or one variable or one symbol /n, whenever you will add the /n, the Python will start writing from next line. Suppose you /n use here, so Python will write in a next line string. Python will write this string word in the next line. Okay, so this is the concept of multi-lines. Now print s, so it will print the whole string in a multiple strings. Okay, now concatenate strings. Concatenate strings is nothing, it will addition of two strings. Suppose I give a syntax a is equal to I am Dhanesh in a single inverted comma, so it will treat as a string. A is a variable which is a string, and whatever is the string, I am Dhanesh. I choose a second string b is equal to, it is also in double single inverted comma, a Python programmer. Okay, now I am concatenate it, so I can give directly command print for what? Print the output. And in print I give a plus b, because a and b both are assigned. Okay, so without inverted comma I can give directly a plus b. What is the plus? Plus is the operator. Plus is basically a positive operator. Okay, so here I will show the plus is a addition operator. Okay, now let's go for the code. Okay, so it will open, it will take some seconds to open. Oh, just wait, it's a Jupyter now again, and I am at the sequence type string. Okay, now I take assign str is equal to in a single or double inverted comma, suppose I use single or double, whatever, I am Dhanesh. So this is my string, and now it's completed. Suppose, okay, print, I want to print this, so give print properly. Okay, if you give the wrong script or wrong spelling, then it will show error. Okay, print str. Okay, print str and execute this, so it will print I am Dhanesh. Yes, I am Dhanesh. Okay, you can also interested my in single inverted comma or double inverted comma, you can write my string is string, string is, and complete this and use the comma and then execute again. It will give my string is I am Dhanesh. Okay, so that's why. So in this single inverted comma I use it because it will print as it is, and this is variable string. Now type. So print command and second function is type. And what kind of type I want? str. Okay, str. Execute now. So it will give the output of the second print command is class str, means the class str belongs from string. Str is nothing, str so the string. Okay, suppose I am interested to take it a, so you need to change by a, and here also a. Okay, execute again. So it gives the same output because now I change by a. Okay, so that is the concept. Now concatenate, press B for add a new shell, and now a is equal to, suppose I am write a first string I am Dhanesh. Okay, I take a second variable b for write a my second string is I am programmer. Okay, I will take a space before it because it will add it to, so it will mix. And now print a plus b. Okay, whatever the output you can guess, obviously it will add after concatenate these two strings, so it will give I am Dhanesh, I am programmer. Okay, so likewise we can write this. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this session, and still you have doubt, you can write at my email given in the last, dhaneshyogi1991@gmail.com. Okay, bye, thank you.